Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new rum cocktail featuring one of our amazing award-winning cocktails. This is Jeff. I'm Robbie. Today we've got an awesome fall cocktail for you. You can do this drink hot. You can do this drink cold. Today we're going to do it cold in some mason jars. Jeff, what are we making today?
We're going to make the Carolina Campfire.
Nice. Sounds like a good one.
Yeah.
All right. So to make this Carolina Campfire, we need some simple, basic ingredients. We're going to start off with our bestseller, our award-winning Spiced Carolina Rum. That stuff is off the chart. It's spiced in such a perfect way. It's so balanced. It's got vanilla, cinnamon, and sarsaparilla. So making this drink, we're going to start with 1.5 ounces per glass.
Okay.
Throw that directly in that glass. Looking good. Jeff likes to pour a little heavy.
I do.
I never complain. All right, so we've got our Spiced Carolina Rum. The next step for this is orange juice. Now, we're fancy.
We are fancy.
We use real oranges here at Muddy River Distillery. Now, you can buy some orange juice, and that's just fine. But today, we're going to fresh squeeze some oranges. So I'm going to cut these up, and Jeff's going to squeeze them in. We're doing 2 ounces. So 1 ounce per drink. So it should be about that quarter of an orange to get us where we need to be. And you know what? Maybe we do a half orange per drink.
I think so.
Let me get the squeeze started for you.
Yeah, get that.
Because that's a little big, that juice.
A little big, yeah.
That one was much more fruitful. Juiceful. Start this guy where you just get a little bit and load it down, drop it down. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, that fresh orange juice makes all the difference.
It really does.
It really does. There you go. I also like the zest of the orange that comes with it. So you'll notice the peel of this orange, if you squeeze it just right, it's kind of like this zest oil that comes out of it. There is no other way to explain this except for just the... I need to do a close-up of that.
Yeah.
It's in my eye. I'm just kidding. Actually, not really.
All right.
Anyway, that's the orange. We've got 1 ounce of orange juice in each one. So now we're going to do a sprinkle of apple cider vinegar. Now this is something that I kind of try not to overdo.
Yeah, little goes a long way.
Little goes a long way. So when we say splash, I'm going to do like just a layer in the capful. We'll call that 2 dashes of vinegar. And now some people like a little bit more. I'm not going to pour this whole thing in there.
Appreciate that.
Yeah. It really does out of the drink if it's done right. Now, if you overdo it, you're going to know. So, and if you leave it out, it's not the end of the world. It's really not that bad without it. So once the apple cider vinegar is in the glass, the next step is to add some fresh apple cider. So we're going to put some nice apple cider in this drink.
How much are we putting in these drinks?
What is it, about 4 ounces per drink?
Yeah.
So I'd say half. The ratio is half apple cider. The rest is the other ingredients. And again, you know, everything's kind of made to taste, but I'll have the details in the description below, so it doesn't confuse anybody. To make it a little bit more accurate, at least, the way Caroline designed the drink. Yeah. All right, so that's the apple cider. The last step to making this cocktail is the bitters, and that is really what rounds this drink out. We're going to do 2 dashes of bitters in each cocktail.
All right.
Looks good. Nice. Give that a quick stir. Really incorporating all the ingredients together in the stir. It's not something you want to half-ass here. Stirred that up. And there we have it, the Carolina Campfire. And it does. It kind of looks like a campfire.
Are we going to garnish this with anything?
Yeah, let's garnish it with a cinnamon stick.
Cinnamon stick?
I got there.
You did get there.
Now we've got the look. This is a craft cocktail at its finest.
That's it.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. We know we will. I know I did last night. Remember, you can make this drink hot or cold, so it's great for whatever the weather is throwing at you.
Yeah.
If you were looking for any of our products, you can find them for sale at the distillery and also in your local liquor store. If you don't see us in your local liquor store, don't forget to ask for us. And that's it. Cheers and enjoy this fall.
Cheers.
Nailed it.
Man, that's good.
Yeah. It got me kicked out of a Hooters once. Did I tell you that story?
Really?
Oh. Another story for another day. You comfy?
Yeah, enough. Yeah.
Oh, hello, Beryl.
Hello. We'll get to know you.
We're touching thighs. You missed me.